harness ordinary electrical energy to drive microwave solid-state sources, causing them to continuously generate high frequency. Which form a concentrated electric field through ceramic resonators. The highly focused electric field energy continues to heat up. Trillions of tiny stars are born by igniting the cosmic whispers within the quartz arc tube. A physical poetry that perfectly replicates the solar spectrum. This is not a substitute for light, but a photonic gene bank of dawn, noon, and dusk.